Some Karens don't just cause trouble.
Do me a favor, just go stand over there, please.
They go all in with charm and confidence.
Hey, please don't.
No, ma'am.
Can I try it one more time?
Oh.
Miss.
All right, turn around.
We're going to Agave. We're going to go have some drinks.
Whether it's a playful wink or a flirty smile.
Sorry, sir.
What?
I'm looking at your eyes.
Why?
Because you look pretty handsome.
Oh.
They truly believe they can talk out of anything.
I dance.
What's the bruise from?
I dance.
What's the bruise on your arm?
I dance.
Here are 3 Karens who took things to a whole new level. But first, let's talk about a wildly drunk female stripper who absolutely makes things even more complicated when officers arrive to check on a possible domestic violence situation.
What's your name,
Never
ma'am?
shut the door. This is my door. Shut my door. No, I can shut my door.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We're not going to be playing this game.
I can shut my door. It's my legal residence.
Next. Okay. I don't know that. You're not giving us an idea.
This is my legal residence. I've done nothing illegal. I've done nothing wrong. What have I done?
What's that bruise on your arm from?
Exactly.
She started dancing in front of the cops, shaking her butt to grab their attention. But to their shock, it quickly became clear she wasn't alone in the house.
The bruise on the back of your arm?
I'm a stripper. I'm a dancer. I'm a legal dancer. I have danced for 2 years of my life.
Okay.
I dance.
What's the bruise from?
I dance.
What's the bruise on your arm?
I dance. I strip down a pole. I drop down a 12
The scratches there are not from a...
Yeah, they are. They're from dropping down a
Okay.
pole.
Maybe
They-
bruising,
no, this is
but not the
my
scratches.
residence. No, I'm
And what
sorry.
about the scratches on your
Sorry.
wrist? Please don't touch me.
Sir, what? This is my residence.
You've already lied to me,
About what?
saying you're the only one here. So how do I believe that this is your residence?
Okay. Where's your search warrant?
In these
No,
circumstances,
no,
you
no,
don't
no,
need a
no,
search.
no. Go to the magistrate. Go to the magistrate. Get your search warrant. No, 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 no. Go to the magistrate.
Yeah, we're not leaving right now.
You're not. You're gonna get your.
No. You
You
touch
have no-
me. Touch me again, and I'm gonna arrest you.
Try me.
No, try me. Touch me again, and I'm going to arrest you.
Hey, there is somebody.
Thank you. Is she being insane?
Yes, she is. It's
No, I'm
illegal.
not.
Come out.
No, he's not. No,
Step
you're fine.
over.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Why?
Step out.
Why? Why? No, I want to hear the reasons why.
Because we got a complaint of a male
Why?
and a female arguing, a female
Why?
yelling to stop. You've already lied to us, and now he's coming out. So stop. I have no
I have
idea
had no,
who you are.
I have
and
had
you're
no
trying to tell-
female
Okay,
complaints
turn around.
on no. No, I can say who I am. No. No. Get out of my house! Hey! Get out of my f***ing house! Get out of my house! Record this. This is illegal. 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 I will say this over and over.
Stop, you get tased.
In her stubborn bid for attention, she ended up in a wild fight, leaving blood streaming down her chin. It's absolutely a crazy mom moment.
And I'm gonna scream, okay?
Oh yeah, she donkey kicked me. Yeah.
I live here.
Happy Easter. How'd you get it?
Happy Easter.
Drunk.
I love you all. I'm sorry. Stay in my apartment until I get back. Just sleep, love me, and sleep. These motherfuckers.
Courtney, sit back down.
I'm not sitting down until you make me. What are you gonna do? Tase me? Tase me. I wanna get tased. I wanna feel it. I have no feeling in my body. Tase me. No? You don't wanna?
Stop.
5-1. We were trying to reach you earlier, but your subject pick didn't come back with a Virginia DL. What is your full middle
They're like,
that may make a difference?
no.
Hey, okay. Courtney, what's your middle name? Ann?
What is my middle name, Daddy? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
51 is your copy.
What did she hit?
My chin, you dumbass.
Let me get that other name I can.
She was twerking and fell forward.
I'm gonna lay her down.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll lay down.
Female DL now, what's going to cycling towards the body?
What are you gonna do? I did nothing wrong.
Stand her up. I got her chin.
Yep. Come on, Courtney.
No, you're not.
Stand up.
No, I'm not.
You want your slippers?
You can pick them up.
After pulling her from the apartment, the officers arrested her, but it got worse when she farted loudly and cursed at them over 10 times. Spitting is undoubtedly one of the grossest things ever. Such a shameful act left the officers with no choice but to step in and take action.
I've been very compliant. I don't have a fucking car, you bitch.
You got all the blood out of your mouth? That's not nice. We're trying to make your chin stop bleeding, okay?
No, you're not. You're just being assholes.
She did the same thing to me. So we got battery on Leo times 2.
God, stop walking me.
You want to drag you?
Drag me, baby. What are you gonna do, tase me? You're both f***ing You're all fucking Wrap her up. I was never issued a warrant in my place. I want to see a warrant for my place now.
You open the door.
No, I want to see the warrant now. I want to see the warrant now issued by the magistrate. I want to see it now.
Courtney, stop.
Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant? I'll say that over and over until you all lose your.
Put your legs down, Courtney.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Daddy's shackling my wrist and my ankles. Oh no. What will I ever do, Daddy?
Come on, Courtney, let's go.
Okay. So fix them. Fix them. Fix them. Fix them. No. I've been saying.
Watch your head.
No, I'm not.
Watch your head.
No, I'm not.
She was arrested for resisting an officer with violence and battery on a law enforcement officer.
We're going to Agave. We're gonna go have some drinks. Sorry, sir.
What?
I'm looking at your eyes.
Why?
Because you look pretty handsome.
Oh.
If you thought the first Karen was out of control, just wait. Things are about to get even more intense. From drunken dances to smuggling people across borders, the madness doesn't stop. So let's take a trip to Texas, where on April 12th, 2023, one woman tried to take her game to a whole new level by attempting human smuggling right under the noses of the cops. But unfortunately, it didn't go as planned.
Fine, you're fine. Just come over here to this side. Do you have anything right here?
Oh no, you want me to open it?
Yeah. Right. Okay.
They're my friends.
Okay, and who are these?
Oh, son mis friends.
Okay.
Carmen y Joana.
Okay. Okay. Are these legit? Because they look fake.
I'm guessing, but I met them at Club Fuego. We're going to Agave. We're gonna go have some drinks.
How long have you met this?
Yeah, tengo como 4 months. We met there at Club Fuego.
Oh, okay. All right. Just wait for me right here, okay? You don't have anything?
I'm looking at your eyes. Sorry, sir.
What?
I'm looking at your eyes.
Why?
Because you look pretty handsome.
Oh.
She tossed out flirty words like candy. Sure, she was winning him over, but he dropped the most unimaginable bombshell just when she thought she had him wrapped around her finger.
We need to call the cops. Can I just please? I have an autistic kid in my house.
Okay.
Please.
Let's do it.
Please.
Yes.
I had 2 investigators today earlier.
Okay. Do it, ma'am.
In my car.
Ma'am.
I just want to.
Estos documentos por un montón de tiempo. Por un año. Ok. Pues son falsos, ok. Y tener documentos en estados de Texas es un delito. Las ID, a esta te sale a un señor, a tuya. A esta no me sale nada. Ok, so estas identificaciones son falsas. Ok. Ahora, yo lo que le quiero dar a entender a ustedes de que. So it's clear what's going on now. But we already passed that. You had 2 undocumented people in the vehicle. We're past that.
Y ahora es mi culpa.
Not only did the officer arrest her, but he also took in the other people she had tried to smuggle.
Okay, you're under arrest for human smuggling.
No, sir.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. Okay.
Todo por yo manejar.
Turn around. Separate your arms.
Now, we're zooming from Texas to Florida, where party girls and cops clash in the craziest ways. While patrolling Lake Howard, Florida Fish and Wildlife officers heard a man frantically shouting just as they entered the area.
take my shirt off or no?
No.
Honey,
In all honesty,
listen,
what happened?
honey, listen.
What? Hey,
Hey, listen, baby,
I'm getting arrested.
don't say it.
Hi, my name is...
Okay. Do me a favor, just go stand over there, please. Thank you. Come right over here for me, please.
I like this. This feels like a setup.
So you're just gonna...
Come down the road.
Leap over the...
Hey, please don't.
No, ma'am. You can have a seat right there.
Do you mind go ahead and taking a seat on the cooler?
Go ahead and have a seat on here.
I'm joking, of course.
Okay. We just don't want you to fall.
Is this a GUI test?
So he'll explain all the tests to you, but if
I
you
wasn't
can't take
driving though.
That's fine. I just
Why is this a DUI test when I wasn't driving? Is this a drunken public test? I don't think I like this test. I think I will not take it.
You're not gonna take it?
No. What happens if I don't take it?
Turn around. Turn
Okay,
around.
okay,
Stop.
okay. I'll
Stop.
take it. I'll take
Nope.
it. I'll take it. I didn't know that was the consequence.
Stop.
Kevin's hang out right here for
I
me.
will bond you out. Don't worry.
I didn't know that. Hold on.
Stop resisting.
I will bond you out.
Stop.
Please don't hurt her.
Stop pulling away from me.
Please don't hurt her.
Hey,
Stop
do me a
pulling
favor.
away.
He's not gonna hurt her. Just
Come on, guys.
don't get involved because it's gonna be more than one issue if you do. Okay.
I'm so sorry. Why did I piss you off?
Hey, you did. You refused, so
No, I didn't.
You did.
I asked what happened if I don't.
no. You asked in the vehicle. I told you 3 different times what happened, and then you said, nope, I'm not going to do it. So you refused. So.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know that meant getting arrested.
I already told you. Yes, you did.
I
told
try
you.
it one more time.
Are you going to do the task?
Yes, please. Yes, I will. I promise. I promise.
Are you going to do
Yes,
it or not?
yes. I will. I'm so sorry. I had no idea. I didn't. I don't know. I've never been arrested.
Please listen to what he's asking you to do.
Please.
So listen.
Okay. I will.
Will you perform these tasks?
Yes.
Curiosity piqued, the officers rushed to investigate the scene. What they discovered next would leave them and us laughing.
Please sit straight at the front edge of your seat.
Go up near
Put
there.
your arms down at your sides and place your feet shoulder width apart so that you're comfortable and stable. So scoot forward for me. Keep scooting up towards me. Keep scooting up towards me. Yeah, you can. Arms down at your sides. All right, so let them hang naturally, okay? Are you stable? Are you gonna fall?
I see that.
So what were you doing before we showed up? What were you just trying to talk her out of driving, or? Okay.
Look at this light. Keep your head still. Follow this with your eyes. No, look over here at this light.
You said it, Mammy. I'm sorry.
Look, you're gonna make fists with both hands just like this. You're gonna put them down here. Put your big pointer fingers out. Turn your hands like this. Make fists with me. Make fists.
Hold on. I want to make sure I see what you're doing.
Stay down there.
No, I'm
Sit.
doing it the same.
No, sit down there.
No.
You're not listening to me. Sit.
But you're standing.
Sit.
Okay.
Put your feet shoulder width apart.
How much longer is this?
Put your feet shoulder width apart. That depends on how long you make it. So you're gonna make fists with both hands. Make your fists just like that. Yep. You see? So.
But no, if I didn't pass, how many do I have to pass?
It's not pass or fail. It's if you perform them satisfactorily or unsatisfactorily. The tip of your nose is right here. It's a dime-like size portion.
Do I stand up and do
Nope.
it?
You sit down. I told you to sit down.
You sit on the chair and do
you're
it.
sit. Move your feet.
You want me
shoulder
just
width.
touching the nose?
Stop
Is
doing.
that
No,
it?
stop.
I am standing up and pointing my
No,
finger.
you're staying in that position until.
I like this.
I tell you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Close your eyes until your head back for me.
Like that.
Yep. Now close your eyes. Left.
They do not have a trailer
You want me to touch it?
Exactly what I told you. Keep your eyes closed. And immediately return it to your side.
Ah, close.
Okay, you can bring it down.
This is fun, kind of. I'm really not.
Watching drunk people think they're sexy is hilarious. She's trying to follow the officer's instructions, but her childlike playfulness makes it even funnier.
Okay, so when I
Can I
tell
see it
no,
behind
sit, count out, no, keep your hand,
Like this?
turn your hand back over,
Like that?
stop, you're not
Is this
listening.
what you're telling me?
You're not, no, I'm telling you to keep your hands out like this. Stay just like that, don't do anything else until I tell you to. Okay, no, keep your hands just
But
like
I
that.
can't see what you're
Okay,
doing.
I'm going to demonstrate it. Nope, stop doing what you're doing.
Is this for real?
Okay, you're gonna
I
repeat.
just have
Begin.
How many?
Speed up. Speed up.
I don't know what.
Okay, you're good. You put your left fist right here on your chest. See how my left fist is on? Nope, sit.
Standing up?
Nope, you're gonna sit. You do not stand up at all. You will not stand up for anything. You gotta pay attention to this, okay?
Is this the final task?
Yes. Yep.
Then you will let me go if I pass this?
So you see this? See how my hands are?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna be like this.
Will you let me pass?
It's gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna return that left fist right back to your chest, just like that.
Yeah.
Open your hands, palm down, and put them in your lap. All right. Keep. Nope. Well, do you understand what I told you? Yep.
Yes, but that's a lot for anybody to retain.
It's not.
Can you
stop? No, stop talking. While you move your fists in a step-like fashion, making contact between your fists at each. No, stop. Stop.
2.
Hey, stop. You're not listening. I told you do not do anything until you're told to begin.
I was trying.
I know what you're trying to do, and quit doing it.
Can I get some music along with it?
No, begin.
I'm nervous. I want to do it backwards. No. I fell. I know it was like.
It's not pass or fail.
Look at my eyes. Do my eyes thing. Okay, can I try it one more time?
Nope.
It was almost like a dance thing.
That was it.
All right. Can I try it one more time?
Nope. Go ahead, stand up.
Oh,
Stand up.
Miss me.
Stand up. All right, turn around.
Cheers.
Stop.
Yes, sir.
Get your hand back here. Okay, you are under arrest for DUI. Okay. So do you have anything in your pockets that's gonna stick me, poke me, cut me, hurt me, anything like that?
No, sir. All that? You guys made me do all that. What was the thing that I did wrong?
Right here. Just have a seat. No, you're good. Just sit down. Sit down.
Please, just give me a break.
Sit.
We are not even trying to drive.
Sit.
I promise I won't drive.
Sit.
Almost.
Thank you. Stay right there.
I'm from Sarasota,
Just stay right there.
Guys, please don't ruin my night.
What?
Yes. You're getting arrested. May I stand up? I'm not a risk. I'm not going to hurt you guys. I promise. Can I say? I've never been arrested before.
Officer Carter told you earlier.
DUI?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I wasn't driving.
Yes, ma'am. You were. We observed you operating the vehicle. Have a seat, though.
What if I ran?
That would be not good.
I want to be tased.
Careful.
It's not fun.
It's not?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I've been tased. It's not fun.
What happened to the windshield?
You tell me.
Ma'am.
Sit down.
Can I see?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, no, I'm not trying to be aggressive.
Just.
Whatever makes this go faster, I'm down. So I got a whole pyrotechnics show at my country house. I have a party going on tomorrow. Yes, sir. I drink and drive. Take me to jail. Hello, whatever it takes.
Ma'am.
No.
Please sit down now.
Sit. Sit down.
No, I just want to go in and out.
No, you're gonna sit.
I have an important date tomorrow.
That's awesome. If you get up again without me telling you to, I'm charging you with resisting. Do you understand me?
Oh.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, despite all her wild attempts to charm her way out of trouble, she was charged with DUI and resisting arrest without violence.
Do I even smell like alcohol? I'm stoned, I'll tell you that.
Did you smoke something or on what?
Yeah, but I have a prescription for it. I'm not drunk. I'm just tripping on psychedelics.
Okay, good to know. Thank you for letting us know that. On hallucinogenics.
I'm not high.
Well, you just said you were.
I microdose. Actually, I'm not on mushrooms. I wish I
I
was.
didn't figure you were, but I just was a little bit concerned for you. Ma'am, please sit back on the cooler.
You are not only fucking up my night.
Sit down.
Sit down. Hey, turn those dock lights off.
Hey, sit down.
Just kidding.
I'm not kidding. Now you picked up another charge.
Why?